Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ayu Astari. I'm from English department and now I'm in the 5th semester. Now I will explain about the syllables and stress. Okay, each syllable in a word has a syllable or has a degree of emphasis. It's called stress, and there are 3 levels of stress. The first is primary stress, the second is secondary stress, and the third is unstress. Okay, I'm going to explain. The first is the stress of in the two syllable word. The stress in the 2 syllable word is a primary stress and secondary stress. The first is primary stress. Okay, primary stress is about a word with 2 vowel has 2 syllable also, and one of that is primary stress. How to pronounce is say it a little louder and longer than the other one. For example is actor. Actor. Remember that the primary stress is on the first syllable. For example is actor or soldier, soldier, or dances, dances, like that. Okay, and then I'm come to secondary stress. Secondary stress, it means that some 2 syllable in a word have primary stress in the first syllable and then secondary stress in the second syllable. Okay, remember that say the first syllable is strongly. For example is accent, accent, or female, female, or income, income, like that. And then the stress pattern of secondary stress is common for compound word. For example is airplane, airplane, or hot dog, hot dog, or dry clean, dry clean, like that. And then I'm come to the stress with the 3 or more syllables. Yes, the first pattern is primary stress in the first syllable, and then the other syllable are unstressed. The first pattern, I repeat, the first pattern is primary stress in the first syllable, and then the other syllable is unstressed. For example is animal, animal, or chocolate, chocolate, like that. And then the second pattern is primary stress in the second syllable, and then the other syllable are unstressed. I repeat, the stress pattern, the second pattern is primary stress in the second syllable, and then the other syllable is unstressed. For example is apartment, apartment, or banana, banana, like that. And then I'm coming to the stress of third pattern. The third pattern of stress is primary stress in the first syllable and then secondary stress in the third syllable. Okay, primary stress in the first syllable and then secondary stress in the third syllable. Okay, for example is alphabet, alphabet, or basketball, basketball, or holiday, holiday, like that. And then the fourth pattern of stress is primary stress in the second syllable and secondary stress in the fourth syllable. I repeat, primary stress in the second syllable and then secondary stress in the fourth syllable. For example is apologize, apologize, or appreciate, appreciate, or participate, participate. I repeat, participate, like that. And then I'm going to fifth pattern of stress is secondary stress. Remember, secondary stress in the first syllable, and then primary stress is in the second syllable. Okay, secondary stress in the first syllable and primary stress in the second syllable. For example, is athletic, athletic, or beautician, beautician, or outstanding, outstanding, like that. And then I'm going to the sixth pattern of stress, as the last pattern is secondary stress in the first syllable, and then primary stress is on the third syllable. Remember that secondary stress in the first syllable and primary stress in the third syllable. For example, is afternoon, afternoon, or engineer, engineer, or Japanese, Japanese, like that. Okay, I think enough for this video. Thanks for your nice attention to me. See you in the other video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.